Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new 2022 Healy Pneumatic Forklift, model number CPQYD25-KU1H. This forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. It has a base capacity of 5,000 pounds, and it runs on dual fuel. So in this case, that's gasoline and LP. And you'll see there that it has four-way hydraulics, and while I'm on this side, I'll show you it has that cup holder as well. Coming up here to the mast, this is a 3-stage mast with free lift. The max height on this is 189 inches, and it has your hang-on side shift. And one of my favorite features, fork positioners. Now this forklift will have your choice of 42 or 48-inch standard tapered forks. Looking at the tires, these are black traction solid pneumatic tires. Coming up here to the front, we have lots of lights up here, including those combination lights up on top that have the work light as well as your turn signals. And we also have these ultra bright LED headlights. Coming inside of the cab, we have lots more features, including this adjustable steering column, as well as this steering wheel knob. Up there we have that convex rear view mirror, and over on that back pillar we have a rear pillar handle with a horn, which is a great way to keep your operator and other pedestrians safe by keeping a horn right at your operator's thumb, even when they're backing up. This seat has a high visibility seat belt, and it is a full suspension, fully adjustable seat that moves forwards and backwards and adjusts with your incline. Now coming back here to the back, we have lots of lights on the back. You'll see that we have the combination lights that include your brake lights, as well as your turn signals, and the backup light with a backup alarm. And you can see up on top, we have that movable yellow strobe that's magnetic. Now this forklift is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions, or you'd like to demo this truck, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.